If you are in the market for a wireless lavalier microphone system, there are quite a few options out there with different styles and size. Today I prepared the review for the Comica BoomX 2.4 wireless lavalier system, also the kit for your smartphone, and we will do an in-depth review. And if you want to find out and order this kit right now, you can find the link in the description and get also the optional kits, so you are straight ready to go. Let's go first to the unboxing and find out what's in the box. The presentation with their box lately gets better and better, and I feel that they made a great first look design. Let's go first for the D1 version. In the box you will get the Comica BoomX transmitter with the built-in mic and the receiver. Inside you will find the really extensive manual and a lot of accessories. The additional lav mic, USB-C charging cable, TRS smartphone cable, TRS cable for Nikon, Canon, TRS cable for Sony, Panasonic and Fujifilm, reset pin and warranty card. On the smartphone receiver version called UC1, you will get the UC receiver, transmitter with built-in mic, dedicated lav mic, USB-C charging cable, manuals and warranty. In the box they also included a small dead cat for the transmitters. Okay, so we are now ready to get into the layout. The transmitter, just like the receiver, has a built-in battery charged via the USB-C port, and it has a stated battery operating time around 5 hours. The net weight of both receiver and transmitter is just 29 grams, so it will be really light for any type of filming. On the left side of the transmitter you will find the power button and the button to pair. On the receiver there is also an AB channel selector. Both the receiver and the transmitters have built-in OLED screen to control easily all the functions. You will have a clear view of your audio levels, mute option, battery state and connection. The receiver has actually two audio levels, so you can connect two transmitters and actually film two persons in one take, and then actually straight to your camera, selecting the A and B channel for each transmitter. So you get an all-in-one solution ready to go, just awesome. The included lav mic has a secure clamp system, so you can be pretty sure that your subject of recording can't disconnect accidentally the lav mic from the transmitter. On the receiver you will be also able to increase or decrease your level of recording. The receiver has also an added headphone out, so you will be able to monitor the audio straight from your camera if it doesn't have a headphone jack. Just like my A6400 that doesn't have an headphone monitoring port, so you can monitor to this port from the Comica BoomX. On the smartphone UC receiver you will not have a dedicated screen, but just mono to stereo option with one volume button. When connecting the UC receiver on your smartphone, in my case an Android USB-C phone, make sure that you have turned on the OTG storage function in order to have the Comica UC receiver in operation. Press the pair button on your transmitter and the devices will pair in just a matter of seconds. You can also pair two transmitters at the same time. The LED indicators will turn steady blue and you are ready to go. Actually, this is a great on-the-fly microphone recording system for your run and gun situations. The power of your UC receiver will get straight from your smartphone. The UC receiver has also a headphone out monitoring port. This is now a test using the Comica BoomX transmitter with the built-in microphones connected straight to my Sony A6400, actually standing in front of my Sony A7 III with this kitchen studio setup, so you can get an idea on how it sounds. And this is now a test testing the lavalier microphone connected on the BoomX transmitter, so you can get an idea on how it sounds in this kind of kitchen roomy environment. In front of me I have the Sony A7 III with the Zeiss 55, and actually I am recording straight to the Sony A6400 with the 1635 f4 mounted on top. And now I am getting out of the frame recording with my Sony A6400 and with the transmitter and the built-in mic, exiting the frame to test if we will get some cut through. And actually I am going straight to my bedroom between this thick concrete armored steel walls. So we should now here we'll get some cut-offs. And yeah, this is my wardrobe behind me. So I'm kind of 10 to 15 meters from the subject, and I have 2 doors and actually some walls behind it. So, are you hearing me? Well, if we will get a straight sound, it will be perfect, and the 50-meter distance stated should be good. So, from my test that I made right now, you should understand how the system sounds in this kind of not so soundproof roomy environment. So actually getting me straight out of this frame and in my bedroom that is kind of 15 meters away between 2 metal concrete reinforced walls sounds pretty great. So the distance should work for every type of need. I'm pretty sure that this system will save me a lot of time when going for a fast interview or wedding scene, without worrying about additional recorder or camera audio inputs. Even when the groom and the bride have a speech, I can get through with just these 2 things and 1 receiver. I find it that it's just the perfect size for these small mirrorless cameras. They should have just included one thing: the OTG storage have to be turned on your smartphone to get actually turn on the receiver on a working order. What do you think, guys? Can this system scale down your recording setup? Comment section down below. And until the next time, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.